Hey hustlers, it's Jam here from Digital Hustlers Club, your go-to channel for making that extra cash without leaving your couch. Now, before we dive into today's video, I've got a little surprise for you at the end that will help you make money in just seconds. Yes, you heard me right, seconds. So stick around, because you definitely don't want to miss it. All right, picture this. You're sitting at home, maybe sipping on your favorite drink, scrolling through your phone, and suddenly you find out how to make over $5,000 using nothing but a simple Google trick. Sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that people are doing it right now, and there's no catch? Now tell me, where are you watching this from? Drop your country in the comments below because I want to know where all my hustlers are tuning in from. And hey, if you're enjoying the video so far, why not hit that subscribe button? It's free, and you'll get notified whenever I drop fresh money-making strategies. Plus, you can always change your mind later. But seriously, why would you? So, let's jump right in. The first step is heading over to news.google.com. Yep, good old Google News. But wait, don't just scroll past. This isn't your average browsing session. Google News is a goldmine for fresh, trending content from all around the world. You can find everything from local stories to global business news, and that's where the magic happens. Now, here's the secret sauce. We're going to take these news articles and flip them into cash. How? I'll show you. Step 1. Head over to the business section in Google News. You'll find the latest updates on everything money-related. For example, you might see an article like, NVIDIA discusses joining OpenAI's latest funding round. Pretty crazy, right? But we're not here to get starstruck. We're here to get paid. Step 2. Grab that article. Just copy a few sentences or even the whole thing if you're feeling ambitious. Now, don't worry. You're not going to get in trouble for this. We're about to make it completely unique with a little help from our friend, Quillbot. Head over to quillbot.com, paste the article, and hit paraphrase. Boom! You've got a brand new, rephrased article that's yours to use. It's like having a personal ghostwriter, except it's free and works in seconds. And here's where things get even better. You know those rephrased articles? You can make them even more polished without wasting any time or energy by using ChatGPT. Yep, just sign in, give it a prompt to rephrase that article you copied, and watch as it writes it up in a much better way. And hey, if you stick around until the end of the video, I'll give you 5 free prompts that you can use with ChatGPT to make this process even smoother. First up, textbroker.com. This platform connects you with companies that pay you to write content. And guess what? With your freshly minted articles, you're already ahead of the game. Go ahead and sign up for a free account. For every 1,000 words, you could be pocketing $50. Not bad for a few minutes of work, right? And remember, the longer the article, the more money you can make. But here's the kicker. TextBroker is just the warm-up. The real money comes from freelancing websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork. Let's be honest, nobody likes waiting, and with your instant delivery skills, you'll blow the competition out of the water. Imagine this. You set up gigs on multiple freelancing platforms, offering your rephrased articles. Someone orders, you deliver in record time, and cha-ching, the money rolls in. People on Fiverr alone are making thousands of dollars with this exact method. And if they can do it, so can you. And before I go, here are those 5 free ChatGPT prompts I promised you. Now, who's still with me? If you're getting value from this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And while you're at it, let me know in the comments if you want a detailed video on any part of this process. I'm here to help you hustle smarter, not harder. Also, if you're using this method or have any other side hustle tips, share them in the comments. Let's build a community of digital hustlers helping each other out. Okay, as promised, here's the surprise I've been teasing. Want to make even more money without lifting a finger? Check out the video linked right here. It's all about earning $100 per hour by just watching videos. Yeah, you heard that right. It's possibly the easiest money you'll ever make online, so don't miss it. All right, that's it from me, Jam, at Digital Hustlers Club. Keep hustling, stay motivated, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.